Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the basics that actually change responsiveness. Update iOS now, because system updates often include performance fixes. Once done, make sure you have at least 10% free storage by deleting large videos or offloading unused apps. Restart the device to clear temporary processes, and then swipe up to close any obviously heavy apps. These first steps remove common bottlenecks quickly, so you can see immediate improvement while we move to deeper optimizations next. Once the basics are handled, adjust background behavior to reduce constant CPU and network use. Turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need live updates. This stops invisible processes that slow your phone. Next, set location services to while using or off for apps that don't require GPS, which saves CPU and battery. Also reduce motion and transparency to lessen GPU load. These changes lower continuous resource demands, so your iPhone spends cycles. To finish, clear long-term clutter and check hardware-related limits. Offload unused apps and clear caches inside heavy apps like Safari or social apps. Clean old message attachments and large media. Inspect battery health in settings to see if maximum capacity is degraded, and enable optimized battery charging to reduce future wear. If you still experience sluggishness after these steps, reset all settings or back up and restore as new. If that fails, try the troubleshooting tip. Boot into safe mode or contact Apple Diagnostics for a hardware check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.